the song. Thoughts become action, tell me what's happening. What's your mind wrapped in, wrapped around, wrapped around. Hey
guys, Flaming here, or also called Ryan. Today we're raiding with Trueborn. So, yep, and also Noobs Gamers. I got tonsil. It's called Country Ops. It hurts really bad, boys. So, yeah, this is the base that we're raiding. So my friend, I don't know who found this. I think it was Mr. Chicken again. I'm not sure, or can't really remember whose base is this, but nice boy. So let's just raid this base and take their stuff. Oh, it really hurts, boys. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get TNT. Oh, I already bought some TNT. No worries, mate. Let's blow this thing up. There. Also here. Who's that guy? Let's kill that guy. So I can survive this TNT. I'm not sure though. No! Get out, Trueborn, or you're dead. No! Oh, he didn't die. Wow. Stop what? What did I do? What the heck did I do? It really hurts. Oh my god. I gotta use some I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna be, there's something at my mouth about it's like, it's called tonsil in my place, and I think in English it's still tonsil, tonsillitis, something like that. It really hurts. Ouch. Whoa, is no kill team? Whoa, so much lag, dude. Oh, I saw someone there. Just blow this thing up and get some item if there is. Let's see. No. So let's just put TNT and blow this thing up. Then run. Let's put this TNT. Oh no, Truddy. Oh no, Truddy. I'm gonna die. Yes, he did die. Oh, I thought it's enemy. But I know airs, but I thought this is betraying. So yeah. I think this base is freaking done. By the way, I'm joined by Dasher, Airs, Trueborn, and Noobs Gamers. So they are the one that we can really trust. Of all, I can trust them pretty much than other people that I just met. Oh no. Oh my god, no kill killed me. Why? Oh jeez, why did it kill me? Oh, no kills. Oh, it's no kills base. Oh yeah. I'm sorry, bro. That's factions. So I'm very sorry. I didn't know. Oh, it's MVT's base. I think it's MVT 555. I'm not sure, but yep. Let's see. Let's put content here. Oh shit! No kill! No! Don't kill me! No, ito yung potente. Oh my god! If the time changed, like, oh no. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Peace out. See ya later.